welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a slime review. I have the table here, so you guys won't be seeing my face much, but you'll be seeing the slime and me playing with it. So let's get in the video. So my first slime, I have this like little bag, and I have like this slime, and I have like these little putties. So it's like putty and slime today. They're gonna be reviewing. So let's start with this one. This one is Ectoplast, and it's a very stretchy thing I got for my birthday. So let's test it. Size here, I'm gonna scoot it back a little. Okay. So this is it, and it's like a very stretchy slime. It's not sticky, but it's like, you know, the wetness feeling has on it. It's pretty good with the stretchy part. And if you get a straw and you like ball it up, you can blow it up. So it's a pretty cool little thing. I like this one. Yeah. So today, when you see all these different signs, comment down below which one is your favorite. There you go. So that was that one. And it farts when it goes back in. It's funny. The next one is from, you know, like the little putty place. Anyways, I love their putty. It's amazing. So yeah. This is a thinking putty, and the like, you know, theme of it is sweethearts. Not sweet tarts, sweethearts. Okay. This is it, and it's very stretchy, and it's supposed to feel like stretchy, you know, like you can play with it in your hands and stuff. It's not much of like a squishing putty, but I really love their company, so yeah. I love this. And I have two more like the same thing. This one is Super Scrub. And this one is Twilight. Yeah. So I like all the ones I have, and I like this company, so yeah. So that's all in this bag. Now let's go on to this one. This one is made with borax, so it's actually a little better. It's a clear blue slime. And I love it. It's actually so good. It's not stretchy, but it's very squishy, and it's very good when you like go like this. It looks like the ocean to me. I don't know. It's not the stretchiest though. Like, that's as long as it can stretch. But it like feels stretchy, but like it's not. So, but I like this one. It feels nice in my hands, but it's made of borax, so you know what that means. Be careful. You wash your hands after you play with it. But I'm gonna play with the other slimes before this. So this one was actually really good slime, but then she got really bad. Like I put a highlighter on it to make it look cool. It's not stretchy at all. Horrible slime. It's like so dried out. So this one seriously can just go in the trash. I just call it my drawing putty. So my drawing slime. I technically just draw on it because it's so messed up. And yeah. So that one. Oof. So my next one is a blue one, and it's actually really good. Probably not one of the. It's very stretchy. Not one of the best slimes I've ever made. My best slime I ever made is coming up. Seriously, it's the next one. And I like this one. It's very stretchy. Well, you know, it's stretchy enough, and it's very squishy, and it's not sticky. Wait, look at my hands. Not sticky. Not sticky at all. And it's a pretty good slime, so I like this one. So my next one is my favorite one. My friends say this is like, so yeah, sorry. This one's like kind of sticky. I don't know if I'm going to take it out. You know, it's a slime review. You got to take it out. Oof. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is probably a bad idea to take it out, but my friends say it's like a really good slime. I feel like it's way too sticky, but oh my gosh, I just can't. I usually just play with it in the tub, but yeah. I feel like this is one of the best slimes I've ever made. So I just had to use a lot of activator and a lot of shaving cream to make it this. So I got from this bag. I know it looks like a lot from this side, but it's just got up on the side so much. Oh my gosh, it's like from the bottom of it. This one is a pretty good slime myself. It's a lot of slime. Not really. I've made a big batch. I don't even know where it went. But it's stretchy. Very squishy, of course. This one, I mean, it's a little dried out, but it's alright. They're good enough, guys. So now, my last one is this one. It's a putty. So like, it usually feels like a putty. There you go. There's that little thing. I'll put it over the screen. I know it's so blurry. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It's just not good. Okay. But oh my gosh, yeah. It's putty. Not stretchy. Looks like that inside. Looks like dog poop. Yeah, but yeah, it's just very bad creation. Alright, let me give it a second to clean this up and we'll start the outro. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video today. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications. So I've been looking at my comments lately and on my singing videos. They're not the nicest comments. If you have something that's not nice to say, don't say it. Okay? Yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video today. Make sure to subscribe. Remember to comment down below which slime do you like the best that I just did. And love you guys. Mwah.